students. I am Shankara Devi, Class 5, Mathematics, Chapter number 2, Roman Numerals, Part 3. Before going to see the new concept, let us recall what we have learned in the previous class. Are you ready, children? Now I am going to ask the questions whether you know or not. I am going to check your knowledge. Now you tell, what is the Hindu-Arabic numeral for VIII? As 8. Good. Now you tell, what is the Hindu-Arabic numeral for XL? As 40. Excellent. Now you tell, what is the Hindu-Arabic numeral for LXXX? As 80. Marvelous. Now, what is the Hindu-Arabic numeral for CDIII? As 403. Very good. Now you tell, what is the value for L? As 50. Now you tell, what is the Roman numeral for 400? As CD. Superb. What is the Roman numeral for 1500? 1000 for M and 500 for D. Totally MD. Good. Now you tell. Now we are going to see convert into Roman numerals. Already we studied in the last class. Just we are going to recall. Let's move now. 467. First you have to expand the number. 4 is in 100 place 400 plus 6 in tens place 60. Then 7 in ones place 7. So 400 plus 60 plus 7. Now you substitute the value Roman numeral for every value. For 400 you have to write CD. Then plus for 60 LX. For 7 VII. So CD plus LX plus VII, you get finally CD LX VII. Just we want to replace only the plus sign. One more example for you. 289 is equal to 200 plus 80 plus 9. So for 100 as Roman numeral C, we are having 200. So you want to write 2C. So CC plus, what is the Roman numeral for 80? LXXX plus, what is the Roman numeral for 9? IX. Just to replace the plus sign, then you write finally CC LXXXIX. Yeah. One more thing. 1038. Again you have to expand the number. 1000 plus 30 plus 8. What is the Roman numeral for 1000? M. You have to write. Then plus. What is the Roman numeral for 30? What is the Roman numeral for 10? X. So you need to write 3 times of 10. So that is 30. So you want to write X. Then plus 8. What is the Roman numeral for 8? VIII. So now you add all those together. You will get M X VIII. Now we are going to study the new concept, how to convert into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Before that, we studied how to convert into Roman numerals. Now we are going to study how to convert into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Let's see now. Yeah, let's go. Example 1. LXIX is given that. Now you have to split the Roman numerals by using symbol plus. So L plus X plus IX. Already we know the value of L, so you write 50. Then write plus, what is the value for X? 10, that you write. And then next IX is there, that is I is the smallest value. Then X is the biggest value. Already I thought that smallest value then following the biggest value means you should subtract the two value. So 10 minus 1. When you are subtracting that, the smaller value will come first, the bigger value comes second, isn't it? So what do you get now? 10 minus 1. So 50 plus 10 plus 10 minus 1. So 10 minus 1 you will get 9. So 50 plus 10 plus 9, totally 60 plus 9. Finally, you get 69. Then example 2. Now C L X V I is equal to, first you have to split the Roman numerals according to the 3-digit number, 2-digit number, 1-digit number, like that. Okay, now C is based on 3-digit number 100. So how many C we are having here? 3 C we are having. So you have to write C, then plus L X. L is the 50, you know that. So L, X both are coming in 2-digit number. So L, X write separately. Then plus VI. VI, it is a 1-digit number, isn't it? So it comes under 1-digit number. So VI means how much? 6. So we can write now is equal to 300 plus 60 plus 6. If you add together, you will get 366. Have you understood now? Yeah, let's move the next example. Example 3. Now you see here M C D X L I. Now you have to expand it separately. Is equal to M. It comes under 4-digit number, isn't it? 1000. So I'm writing first M separately, then plus CD. C is 100, D is 500. So smaller value first, bigger value second, isn't it? So write together CD separately, then plus XL. XL both is coming in 2-digit number. So I am writing separately 2-digit number, and I that is 1-digit number. So I am writing separately plus I. Now M plus CD plus XL plus I. Now M is equal to 1000. So we are having 2M. So I am writing 2000. Then plus CD. C is the smaller value and D is the bigger value. So you want to subtract that, isn't it? So 500, C is equal to 100. So 500 minus 100, you get 400. So write 400. CD is equal to 400. Then plus XL. X indicates 10. L indicates 50. So smaller value, then bigger value. So you should subtract that. So 50 minus 10, you get 40. Right, 40. Then plus I means totally 3. So 2000 plus 400 plus 40 plus 3, you get finally 2443. Now we are going to study the new concept about compare the Roman numerals. What do you mean by compare the Roman numerals? If I give 2 Roman numerals, I am asking you to find which is the greatest, which is the smallest. What you have to use to find? Symbols you want to use. So less than symbol or greater than symbol or equal to symbol. Use those symbols to find. Okay, let's see. Example 1. Now you see here. On right side, we have DCVII. On left side, we have CDVII. DC means how much now? 500 plus 100, 600. VII, how much? 7. So 607. First, you had to write the Roman numerals, convert into Hindu Arabic numerals. Write the value below the Roman numerals first. And then, easy for you to find which is the greatest. Okay. Then, next on right side, what we have? CDVII. So, CD, how much now? 400. VII, 7. So 407. Now you tell which is the biggest one, 607 or 407? As 607. So it's on which side? As left side. So that is bigger one. So you should open your mouth. I mean DCVII is greater than CDVII. I mean 607 is greater than 407. See example 2. CXLV on left, CLXXV on right. First you have to convert into Hindu Arabic numerals. The first C, what is the value of C? 100, you write. XL, what is the value for XL? 40, so write in 4. And V for 5, so 145. So write the value below the Roman numerals. On right side, how much we have? C for 100. So 100, LXX means 70, then V is equal to 5. So 175. Now we tell which is the greatest one? As 175. Good. Yeah, let's move the next one. Now we are going to study one more concept. Write the equivalent Roman numerals. How we can find? I'm going to explain you. Now you see here, example 1. XLII is given that plus XXIX. We are going to add the Roman numerals and going to give the answer in Roman numerals also. First, XLII. What is the value for XLII? XL means 40, then IA means 2. So 40 plus 2, 42. Correct. Then plus XX. 2 X's are there. What is the value for 2X? As 20. IX means 9. As totally what? 29. So 42 plus 29. How much you get? As 71. Now you convert the Hindu Arabic into Roman numerals. So what is the value for 71? As L, XS for 70. Okay, then 1 for I. So you get L, X, X, I. That is the correct answer. Now you see here, example 2. M minus DXVI is given that. Now you give the value for M. What is the value for M? As 1000. Then minus, what is the value for D? As 500. X, what is the value for X? 10, 510. Then what is the value for VI? As 6, 516. Okay, now you subtract the two values. What do you get now? As 484. Now you tell, what is the Roman numeral for 400? As CD. Am I right? Then 80, 8 in tens place. So 80, what is the Roman numeral for 80? L, X, X, X. Yeah, you got it. Correct. Then what is the value for 4? As IV. So that is the answer. So CD, L, X, 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 IV. Now, already I gave some work to you the last class in the content part. So today also I'm going to give some part to you. So in chapter number 2, page number 16 and 17, exercise 1 and 2, you had to work out in the rough note. Whenever you get the free time, please, you have to utilize the time, spend the time for math. How much you can complete the exercise part, you can complete in the home itself. Thank you, children. We can see in the next class.